In this video, we're going to cover Facebook retargeting. Now, retargeting is one of the most powerful ways to reach audiences that have previously engaged with our ads, with our website, or have taken a specific action but haven't taken another. And so this allows us to easily stay in front of our audience if they've had any type of previous engagement with our brand, with our ad, with our website, whatever that may be, and then show them additional ads that may be relevant to an offer that they may have not taken, or a product that they may have not purchased, but they landed on a specific page. So let's get right into this here. And so as I mentioned, the retargeting is a form of online advertising that targets customers or an audience based on their previous actions. So for example, what we can do is we can create retargeting campaigns that target people who have clicked on our ad and went to a landing page and did not fill out their information. This audience would then see ads mentioning that they forgot to fill out their information on XYZ landing page, and that we're giving them an extra voucher, we're giving them an extra 10 or 15% discount so they can actually fill out their information or buy that product. And so by using retargeting, we're able to keep our audience engaged, reinforce our brand and our awareness, and ultimately move people from becoming aware of us, cold traffic, but then getting a little bit of awareness of us, to actually becoming hot prospects that are interested in our product or service, because they may see us one time, they may go to the landing page, maybe they're not familiar, but their retargeting allows us to stay top of mind and let people know that we noticed that they landed on XYZ page, but they did not input their information. And so let's take a look at this image over here on the right. We can see here that at the very top we have Bob who visits a landing page. Let's say we're giving away a teeth cleaning, or we're doing some type of dental implant offer where it's a special, right? So Bob clicks on the ad, they go to the landing page, and they don't fill out the form. So they go to the landing page, they look at everything, but they don't put in their information. Maybe they get distracted, maybe for whatever reason they got disinterested, or anything can come up, right? Especially with the fact that our attention spans are very, very short. He's going to get put into a custom audience of those who landed on the landing page and did not fill out their form, right? Did not fill out their information. So now Bob's going to see another ad mentioning to them that they landed on XYZ landing page, or they were interested in XYZ offer, and that they forgot to fill out their form, and they're going to see a coupon or another discount for them to go back to the landing page and actually fill out their information. And so it's this big loop where we're showing people an offer, they're clicking on it, they're going to the page, they're not checking out, they're not putting in their information, and they're seeing another ad, and then they get taken back to the order page or the actual landing page to fill out their information. So this is a very powerful way to stay top of mind for your audience, to build that awareness, to build that branding, and to get people familiar, because a lot of the traffic that you're going to be working with on Facebook is going to be cold, new people that don't know about your brand, about the business. And it's important for you to have them see multiple different ads of your brand so that they can know, like, and trust you, and then be able to take action because they've seen your brand multiple times. So this is the power here of the Facebook retargeting, and using the pixel to make sure that we're capturing all of the data of those who have landed on specific pages and did not take our desired action that we want them to take, and then being able to create custom audiences and show them different ads that tell them, hey, we noticed you didn't do XYZ when you landed on this page. Here's an incentive for you to go back and actually fill out your information or to buy XYZ product. So that's going to be it here for the Facebook retargeting, and we'll see you on the next one.